And welcome to our today's video in which we will understand about the California AI Transparency Act and how this can be automated by using our platform Controllo. California is building a growing framework of laws to govern how artificial intelligence is developed, deployed, and used. A major part of this framework is the California AI Transparency Act, which became operative in Jan 2026. It introduces transparency requirements for certain large, publicly accessible generative AI providers, especially around AI generated images, audio, and video. The wider objective is clear. As AI becomes more powerful and accessible, people should be able to understand when digital content has been created or altered using AI. Generative AI can now create highly realistic content within seconds, but that also increases the risk of deep fakes, misinformation, impersonation, and the unauthorized use of digital identities. California's AI regulations seem to create a clearer digital trail for AI generated content. Covered providers may need to support visible disclosures, embedded provenance information, and tools that help users determine whether qualifying content was created or altered by their AI systems. The goal is not to slow AI innovation, it is to make AI generated content more transparent, traceable, and accountable. For covered generative AI providers, compliance requires more than publishing an AI policy. Organizations need to understand which systems fall within scope, maintain appropriate content disclosure capabilities, provide access to an AI detection tool, embed required provenance information, and maintain oversight when their systems are licensed to third parties. Failure to comply with the California AI laws may result in civil penalties of thousands of dollars per violation, with each day of continued non-compliance treated as a separate violation. This is where Controllo brings together the process. Organizations can add and manage their AI systems separately on the platform, document its purpose and ownership, and maintain a clear inventory of their AI use across the business. Teams can then assess their likelihood and impact through a simple toggle based workflow and manage their AI specific risks such as their shadow AI risk, third party AI exposure, data leakage, and many more. With the California AI Act available directly within Controllo, controls are mapped to risk, policies, evidences, turning your compliance into a connected workflow. And with Secura, Controllo adds an AI powered layer for faster gap assessment, a control validation that could take up to 25 to 30 minutes done manually can be reviewed in under a minute using Secura. This helps you evaluate your evidence against the requirements, identify likely gaps, and reduce the effort needed for manual intervention. That means teams can move faster, surface issues earlier, and save significant time while building AI compliance maturity. California is asking organizations to make AI more transparent, traceable, and accountable. Controllo helps turn those expectations into an operational AI governance program so your team can manage risk, demonstrate compliance, and scale AI with confidence. If you want to know more or get a free trial, do connect with us. Thank you.